So this is the ideal rural wood stove. There is a constant supply of hot water while cooking. Boil water for cooking. Not only the firepower is fast cooking, and it comes with an oven. Using more than one stove makes cooking easy and convenient. It's also very simple to make. First, a frame is laid out on the ground with red brick and yellow mud, and fill the frame with bricks to form a wood stove floor. Then press an exit door on one side. Continue to build up the wall structure. The yellow mud used here is a mixture of fine sand and cement. It improves its high temperature resistance while retaining its viscosity. Thus, the wood stove can be durable in later use. When the wall is laid to a certain height, inside, a burning inner wall is shielded with black bricks. 2 notches are made at the top to place the ash drop baffle. The empty space next to it is filled with soil. After tamping down the soil, a layer of blue bricks is laid to form a hole with the inner wall of the combustion. Then the red bricks continue to build up the outer wall of the wood stove. In the process of masonry, it is necessary to press a wood inlet above the ash exit door. On the side is a box housing an oven, and attach a fireproof cotton to the oven for protection. You can see a gap between the oven and the back wall. This gap is the reserved smoke passage. At this point the exterior wall has reached the required height. The inner wall also needs to be continued with black bricks, until the masonry reaches the height of the outer wall. I have to say it's pretty masterful. The master got a good job with his skills. Then a red brick structure was built on one side of the oven to create a smoke outlet. The structure is divided into 2 floors. The next floor is lined with tile as a workbench. Next, line the edge of the stove with a circle of ceramic tiles for decoration, and in the inner wall of a circle padded with a layer of fireproof cotton. At the same time, it is covered with an iron plate to conduct heat. The main structure of this wood stove is completed. The specific size is shown in the figure. Double-click to save if needed. Now there is one last important piece of the puzzle to finish the wood-fired stove. It's a chimney with a water tank made of steel pipe. Start by making 2 iron rings, and drill connecting holes in iron rings and large steel pipes. Then the 2 iron rings are welded to the large and small steel pipes. They are then fitted together and welded together to form a chimney tank. The function of 3 holes. It is used to weld the water outlet switch, water inlet interface and exhaust valve respectively, all welded and fixed. It can be connected and installed on the flue. Connect the water pipe to the water inlet port, and install the exhaust valve. After opening the faucet, the water was tested smoothly. At this point, the wood stove is complete. Now we can fire it up and test it. After ignition, you can find that the fire is still quite fierce. Use it to cook and make soup. You can also bake food in the oven. Not only the appearance is simple and generous, and it's easy to make, it is also very convenient and practical in winter when hot water is needed. So for this multifunctional wood stove, how would you rate it?